Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the simple steps to log in to your Adobe Spark account. Whether you're a new user or returning to create stunning graphics, videos, and web pages, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Adobe Spark website. Begin by launching your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.adobe.com express. Press Enter to navigate to the Adobe Spark homepage. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button. Once you're on the Adobe Spark homepage, locate the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your Adobe ID or email address. You will be prompted to enter your Adobe ID or the email address associated with your Adobe Spark account. Fill in the required field and click Next to continue. Step 4. Input your password. After entering your email, you will be asked for your password. Type in the password you created when you set up your account. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 5. Complete the login process. Once you've entered your password, click on the Sign In button. If your login credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Adobe Spark dashboard, where you can start creating beautiful projects. Step 6. Explore your project options. Upon logging in, take a moment to explore the various project options available to you. Whether you want to create a post, page, or video, Adobe Spark offers a user-friendly interface to help you unleash your creativity. Don't forget to save your work frequently and make sure to log out when you're done, especially if you're using a shared computer. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to log in to your Adobe Spark account. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.